welcome to my mom's channel, guys.
Hey YouTubers, welcome back. Today I'm going to be going over the full Makartt Hooked on Love collection. We have the pump up press on nails, decoration kit, 6-color polish, as well as the Valentine's Polygel Kit. So for starters, these are the nail pump ups, Hooked on Love collection. Now I actually have a different kind of pump up nails and I really like them a lot. There's just some instructions on the back on how to put them on. When you open it up, you have your alcohol pad, your cuticle pusher, as well as some nail stickies, just in case you wanted to take them off very easily. You get a little thank you note with the coupon code on it. And then you also get a small mini nail file, 100-180 grit, and a glue. Each of these nails come in 2 colors, so you have the dark pink and the light pink. They're very long. I believe these are like XXL coffin length, and they're very durable as well. Towards the tip, they don't bend. There's a slight bending closer towards the cuticle area, but that's a given. You want to make sure that the length of the nail is good and that it won't bend or break. The glue comes with it. Right here we have the Hooked on Love nail decoration set. Comes with 9 glitters, 3 sets of heart rhinestones. Also, it has some very cute nail stickers. Valentine's Day theme, of course. You get 4 sheets, so you have some I love yous, cupids, lips, hearts. And I actually used these on a set of nails on my other pump up nails that I have from Makartt. I'll post a picture in the corner. Now we're gonna get into the glitters. I really like these a lot. As soon as I seen it, I knew I had to have it. You can't really see the glitters too well, so I did put the picture up in the corner. Here's some little purple sparkles. These are like really good for like galaxy type nail. We have some red and purple hearts with some confetti. Again, we have pink, white, red hearts with some red confetti in there. This is the same thing without the confetti, so just red, white, and pink hearts. Some pink sparkles, and they do come in different sizes as well. This one is red, white, and dark hearts. And these are like anti-Valentine, I would say. Some red and gunmetal hearts. This one was giving me like Easter vibes, so I definitely wouldn't use these on Valentine nails unless you're going to be doing something like funky and different. And these are the heart rhinestones. They do come in 3 different sizes as well as 3 different colors, AB crystal, red, and pink. Here's the nail polish, Hooked on Love. There are 6 colors. The packaging is also very, very cute. So this is how they come out of the box. They're very protected with the foam around it. You don't have to worry about any breakage during shipping or anything going wrong. And I'm gonna be swatching these coming up right now. So this is the color Foreplay. It's like a very light nude. This is actually my favorite. I love a nice nude nail. Here we have Seduction, which is a kind of peachy coral type of feel. Mind you, these are only 1 coat layers that I'm doing. I'm not doing it twice. For the purpose of just swatching, you get to kind of see they're nicely pigmented. Here we have Obsession, which is a very hot pink color, very Valentine-y. We have Possession. We have Makeout, which is a glitter, but also the base of it is like a jelly red. So it's not like you're just painting on glitters only. It does have a little bit of a hue in the background. And last we have Orgasm. Similar feel to the previous color, just in pink. Has some very fine glitters, very small hexes in there. Also has a jelly pink base. And these are all 6 of the colors swatched out side by side. Next up is the Hooked on Love Polygel Kit. So when you open the box, of course on the bottom you're gonna have some dual forms, so just be careful so they don't drop out and fall on the ground. You have your thank you card, your instruction card as well. There's your dual forms. They are straight dual forms, so they don't have that really deep empress curve into them. And I feel that these are really good because it kind of places the apex at the perfect spot. The really deep empress curve dual forms that everyone was using a while ago had the apex like way past the free edge, which doesn't really give you that strength and durability that you need to not damage your nails or the extension. We also have the hand file 100/180 grit. Your normal polygel brush with the brush on one end and the picker on the other. Of course, this kit comes with the new shape of base coat as well as top coat. And there are 4 colors that are included in this kit, and we'll get right into the swatching. So here is Puppy Love, which is very similar to that very first nail polish I did. And this one is Lover Boy. Now, this one is really hard to get out. Like, you really have to use all of your strength because the heart glitters that are inside unfortunately sunk to the bottom of the tube. So they're all collected right there at the opening, making it very, very hard to get some of that polygel out. I was only able to get a little bit out. I did even try later on to sit the bottle upside down for a few days to kind of let it sink down, see if that would help. And unfortunately, it did not. So this is it swatched out. Once I got some of the polygel out, you see the glitters are very concentrated there. And this is Jealousy. This is a jelly pink with some very nice silvery glitters in it. This is Heartbreaker. You'll actually see me use this on my next video. And I want to thank you for taking the time to watch my unboxing. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.